Hello and welcome to Grand Carbon's live testing showcase. I'm Ali, and today we're thrilled to present something truly groundbreaking in the world of carbon brushes. As you may know, we at Grand Carbon specialize in manufacturing high-quality carbon brushes for a variety of applications. But today, we're focusing on a significant breakthrough in the power tools sector. After extensive research and development, and in our quest to provide the best, we're excited to introduce our latest import, the L80 grade carbon brush. This isn't just any carbon brush. It's a game changer, especially for power tools. The L80 grade carbon brush stands out for several reasons. Firstly, it's engineered to deliver exceptional performance with zero sparking. This means enhanced safety and efficiency, whether you're working on high power applications or delicate tasks. But we don't just stop at promises. We test every product rigorously to ensure it meets our high standards. Let's dive into the testing process and see the L80 in action. Here we have our state-of-the-art testing setup. We're putting the L80 grade carbon brush through a series of demanding tests. We'll measure its performance under load, monitor its sparking levels, and assess its lifespan. As you can see, the results are impressive. The L80 grade performs flawlessly with absolutely no sparking. And when it comes to lifespan, it's built to last, providing reliable performance over extended use. We're proud to say that the L80 grade carbon brush not only meets but exceeds industry standards. It's a testament to our commitment to quality and innovation. No other local company has managed to develop a zero sparking carbon brush with such an impressive lifespan at such a competitive rate. So if you're looking for top-notch carbon brushes for your power tools or any other applications, look no further than Grand Carbon. The L80 grade is just one example of how we're pushing the boundaries to deliver superior products. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey. Stay tuned for more updates and innovations from Grand Carbon. Until next time, keep powering forward with the best.